What do you want, Houdini? You want to play with lamb chop? Do you want to play with lamb chop? Bring it here. Bring lamb chop. Bring lamb chop. Ah, bring lamb. Thank you. Thank you. Is this for me? Yes. Bring the other lamb chop. Bring the other lamb chop. Go. Go bring lamb chop. Bring lamb chop. Thank you. Do you have more lamb chops? Go bring lamb chop. Thank you. Go get lamb chop. Thank you. How many do we have here now? 1, 2, 3, 4 lamb chops. Do you have more? Do you have more lamb chops? Go get the other one. Go. Go. Yes. Thank you, baby. Do you have more? Do you have more? Where is lamb chop? Bring it. Yes, bring it here. Bring it. Such a good boy. Such a good boy. Let's see how many we have now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yes. Go. Go there. Yes. Go play. Go play. Yes. Yes. Go play. Yeah, such a good boy. Such a happy puppy.